Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is about a unique concept, that is hand embroidery borders. But don't go anywhere. I am going to tell you different design ideas, different patterns or different styling ideas, how you can use these embroidery borders. You can say them embroidery borderline, embroidery borders, embroidery corners, embroidery side outs, and many more different technologies and terminologies for these patterns. Friends, you can use these embroidery borders for designing your shirts borders, your daman borders, your kurti. You can also make them onto your kurti with a double line of kurti neckline. You can use these borders to design your sleeves as well. You can also make these embroidery borders onto your trousers for making a very beautiful exquisite touch of your trouser, capri, palazzo, or any type of bottom that you used to wear. And the scope is not only limited to this, guys. You can also make these embroidery borders onto your shawls, strollers, onto your dupattas, onto your saree pallus to give a more creative, enhanced, and a beauty touch for elegance and a best example of decency. By following these very beautiful color combination, simple and easy and creative floral hand embroidery borders, you can also decorate these borders. You can also give a touch of formal loyalty and a very big creative touch for decency, and can enhance the touch of these embroidery patterns by giving a touch of pearls via usage of beads to give them more enhanced and beautiful look. So this was all for today. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my upcoming videos. Up to then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos.